Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to change screen resolution on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap here on the display and brightness. Here scroll a little bit down and tap on the screen resolution section. As you can see here, we got selected the smart resolution, that you can change it to the higher resolution or to the low. And by this way you can change your screen resolution on your device. Now I'll just stay with the smart resolution. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.